In this example, we are going to use VLOOKUP function for the first time. We are going to use the syntax which we have learned in the last section. So there is a table array which is available over here, and this table array is actually starting from B8, and it is ending to D18. So this is the table array I have, and I'm gonna write a syntax over here. So what I'll be doing is like I'm creating item number over here, then I have description and unit price. What I want is that as soon as user enters item number over here, it will automatically display description and unit price over here. And for that purposes, I'm going to use VLOOKUP. So I have typed item number over here, that is 104. I'm going to write the VLOOKUP function for the first time equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value. I want to look up this specific value, that is 104. Then comma, where I wanted to search the value. I wanted to search this value in this specific table array. So you can see that the first column should always be the column on which we need to search something. So search column should be the first column, that is the mandatory requirement for VLOOKUP. Then we have column index number. So this is the first column, this is second and third. I need to pull the value from the third column. So what I'll do is I'll put 3 over here. Then is it arranged lookup? I'm going to click false because this is the exact match. I've clicked false and close the brackets. So as soon as I enter this specific example, you will see it is showing me third column's value. That is, this is the first, second, third column value, and 104 is 185. I need second column value because description is written in second column. So I have typed 2. You can see that I have got description column over here. Let me rewrite it. Equals to VLOOKUP, find this, find where I want to find it here, and which column I want to return 3 and false. 3 and false. So you can see that as soon as I click on item number 104, it is automatically like showing me that specific item over here. So I'm going to change the value over here, 107. You can see it will show, it is showing us the 107 related values. If I type something over here which is not existing in the table like 999, it will show me NA. NA is means that value not available. So in this specific example, we have seen that how we can write a simple VLOOKUP function. In the next example, we are going to go a bit advanced than what we have done in this specific example. Thank you so much.